Hello, do you know the fraction 1/4? If you don't, that's great because we're going to teach you that today. So, a quarter, the easiest way to show you this would be on a circle like this. Now, if I drew or coloured in one side of that, the fraction for this is 1/4. And that's as simple as it is. Now I'll explain how we got there. So, this top number, that shows how many of pieces of the pizza has been coloured in or eaten. And in this case, it shows only one. So that is why the top number is number 1. And the bottom number is number 4 because there are 4 pieces of the pizza in total. And that's as simple as it is. So all you've got to do is count the top number for how many have been eaten. The bottom number is how many there are in total. And that is how we got to 1/4. All right, use information, play the next game, and we'll see you at the next one. Bye!